In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a project in Wrike. Renaming a project might seem like a small thing, but it can really help keep your workspace organized, especially if your project's scope has changed, the client name is different now, or you just want your naming convention to be more consistent. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you feel confident changing a project name without affecting your work. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and that you're in the workspace where your project lives. Navigate to the project you want to rename. You can do this from the left-hand navigation panel from your folder structure, or by using the search bar at the top and typing the current project name. Once you've opened the correct project, you're ready to start the renaming process. Look for the three dots icon, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. You'll usually find this near the project name at the top of the screen, or alongside the project in a list view. Click on those three dots. This opens a small menu with several options related to that project. From that menu, click on the option that says Rename. As soon as you select this, the project name field will become editable. You'll see the current name highlighted or with a cursor ready for you to type. Now type in the new name you want for your project. This is a good moment to follow whatever naming conventions your team uses. For example, you might want to include the client name, the type of work, and the date or version. Clear, descriptive names make it much easier for everyone on your team to quickly understand what the project is about and avoid confusion later on. After typing the new name, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the change. In most cases, this means pressing enter on your keyboard or clicking somewhere outside the text field, so Wrike saves the new name. Some views might show a small checkmark or confirmation button that you can click. Just make sure you finish that step so the name actually updates. Take a second to double check that the project name has changed everywhere you expect it to. You should now see the new name at the top of the project, and it should also appear updated in your folder tree or project list. And that's all it takes to rename a project in Wrike. Open the project, click the three dots, choose Rename, type the new name, and follow the on-screen prompts to save it.